So in this video I will show you how you can add product into your Shopify store within very short time, and you don't need any coding skills, any developing skills, just very simple. So first of all, you will come to your Shopify dashboard, then just go to in products options, okay, and after then you will add your product, then just click on add product. So after you come to the add product page, this is very easy. Just you will paste the title that I will, for example, this is a product Labubu, I will import it. So just copy this product title and then come to your Shopify dashboard, okay. Then description you can write by generate text, okay. This no need, it's very simple. Just in AliExpress description you just copy, okay, and then paste. And after then your work will be the media, I mean the picture you need to add. So I already downloaded the pictures of the Labubu. Then you just copy this two picture and click enter. So you can also add more picture. This is only for showing you that how you can add product, okay. And then in the down section you will add the price. For example, I will keep this price, okay, for $20, okay, and compare price will be 30. So customer will see that $10 is discount. And cost per item, this is no need, it's optional. And after then you will just go to the weight is no need. The search engine listing is it's also important for the SEO. So product description, yes, in here you just only remove some unnecessary options like within 160 characters. So just yes, just remove this. Yeah, also some remove this, okay. And product and URL handle, it's okay. And then in here this status will be active. Publishing, yeah, online store, product organization type, this is no need. Vendor collection, if you have already made collection, okay. So theme template is default, no problem. And then just click on save, it's already active, okay. Now you will check the product on the preview sections. Yes, so it's loading. You guys can see there's products already added, and this is the image title, okay. This is very simple. And then you will go to the home sections again, and then you will come to the product options, and you can see that our products already added. And then you can customize this product with very high professionally, okay. This is only for the product adding video, okay. After you adding product, then your job will be, or your focus will be, how you can copy a competitor store and make it more professional and high converting, okay. So that customer will definitely, they will purchase the product when they will come to your landing page of the product, okay. So yeah, that's it. So this is the video that how we add from AliExpress into our Shopify store. Just add the product. It's very simple.